Hey there, Tenure Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We're out here at the CHS Cheerleader Annual Golf Benefit, cooking for the masses today. Y'all are always asking, hey, what can those badass tailgate rigs do? I'm gonna show y'all, let's check it out. Come over to this side. We've had some ribeyes smoking on a roll-off direct heat cooker. About to pull them off, throw them on our Santa Maria grill, do a reverse sear on them. Oh yeah. Those things are gonna be good. Those are all for me. All right, now on this side, we've got a 330 gallon tank smoker, got 120 pounds of chicken wings going on this thing. Y'all know TMG, we love our chicken wings, so it's loaded down with chicken wings. We got burgers going on our griddle top up here. Hey, y'all know chicken wings, ain't nothing better than a smoked, then fried wing. So we're smoking our wings, drop them in this 6-gallon Cajun fryer, crisp them up. And then we're gonna toss them in our award-winning sauce. Folks, that's how TMG Pits does it.
How are we gonna toss them? Who's gonna toss them?
I'm tossing, baby.
You go. Let's get it.